Hello, in this video we'll see se. Se, as you can see here on the right. This is su. Si. Sa. Se. Si. So. Se. Su. Si. Sa. Se. Si. So. Okay, let me show you how we write se and the Tigrigna alphabets. So I will write se, and I will make 7 copies of se. These are 7 se. I will add some lines or rounds to find the Tigrigna alphabets of se. For example, this is se, this is su, this is si, sa, se. This one has to be changed to a slanted line like this, si, and finally so. So what I have done is I added this line to make this one su, added this one to make this one to si, added this one to make sa, this part here, se. I changed the straight line here to slanted one to make it si, and added this section and to make it so. So this is so, this is se, su, si, sa, se, si, so. So once you practice it, you will be comfortable in writing se, su, si, sa, se, si, so like this. Se, su, si, sa, se, si, so. Good. So what I'm saying, this is se, this is su, this is si, sa, se, si, so. I added vowels to have that kind of sound for se, su, si, sa, se, si, so. Okay guys, thank you. I will come with other alphabet in the next video.